Hey everybody, ZenKahuna here. Double ball staff. I'm going to show you one of my little favorite moves with the double ball staff. As you know, the whole point of double ball staff in many ways is working just from the ball. Otherwise, just use the regular staff. So, this move is just an interesting move. I just created it one day as I was playing with the double ball staff. And it goes like this. So it's a high and a low. And this one really allows your double ball staff to flow fluidly through your fingers. You can see I do a high, low, high, low, high, low. You see where my arm goes? Overhead, out in front. Overhead, out in front. And what this does is it works the hand, forearms, shoulders, into the back, chest, and preparing them for other movement, or you can do it as a restorative or use it on an easy day. All right, we'll do a little with the left hand now. So this works with coordination, rhythm, timing, and being able to control a device without a death grip on it, because you've got to let this ball move through your hands to efficiently get your movement. One more. And bring it down. So, double ball staff, I call this a double horizontal. So, it is one horizontal and a second. Or you could call it a horizontal high and low. Or you can give it your own name. Remember, you're in charge of your game. Play it your way.